Now this is the alternative method, or you can say the formula method for solving compound interest. Now in this formula, in this method, it's going to be even faster and quicker than the initial formula I did in the previous video. Now you can see that I have listed the meaning of all these parameters here. A stands for the amount, P for the principal, R for the rate in percent, and N for the time in years. Okay, now let's start immediately. So we're going to have A is equal to, now the principal, I'm still using the previous question I did in the previous video. You compare, use any question and try and see whether you get the same result working with the first method and with the formula method. So A is equal to, the principal is going to be 400 bracket 1 plus the rate is percentage, so 10 over 100 all raised to the power of n, represent the time in years, which is 3 years. 3. Now what you want to do here is you solve the bracket first. I can say that I can use LCM to resolve this to look even simpler. Just put over 1 here. LCM of 101 is 100 divided by 100 divided by 1 is 100. 100 times 1 is still 100 plus 100 divided by 100 is 1. 1 times 10 is 10 to the power of 3. 400. I'm going to have, when I work on my numerator, I have 110 divided by 100 all to the power of 3. Remember that this power of 3 means these values are multiplied 3 times. So I'm going to have 110 times 110 times 110 over, I come down to the denominator, the same thing is applicable. 100 times 100 times 100, which is going to be equal to 400 brackets. Now this 0 can cancel this 0 here. This 0 can cancel this 0 here. This 0 can cancel this 0 here. And I know that 11 times 11 is going to give me 121. So I'm having 121 times another 11 remaining here, all over 10 times 10 times 10 is going to give me 1000. So at this point you can see that this is multiplying this. You can rewrite this as 400 times 121 times 11 over 1000, of which I can see that 0 can cancel 0, 0 can cancel 0. So what is remaining here is 2 can divide 4, 2, 2 can divide 10, 5. So I have 121 times 2 times 121 times 11 all divided by 5. When I multiply all my numerator, I'm going to have 2662. 2662. Okay, when you multiply all your numerator, that is what you're going to have, divided by, our denominator is now 5, which is going to be equal to, when I divide by 5, I'm going to have it as 532.4 as my result. Remember that this is the amount I'm looking for. So I have it that A is what? 532.4. Now, if you can recall, this is the final amount I got when I was working my compound interest. So this is your A. So I can now say that therefore compound interest is equal to final amount, FA is final amount minus initial amount, which is going to be, the final amount is 532.4 minus initial amount is the first principal, which is 400, which will still give us 132.4. Don't forget your naira. That is the units. All right, see you guys next time. Bye bye.